Let me ask you a question. What if the key to feeling better, aging better, and living better wasn't a new pill, but a signal? What if the answer wasn't another supplement, but the cellular switch that makes all of your systems work better for your energy, immunity, skin, joints, and focus? Welcome to ASEA. What is ASEA? ASEA is the only company in the world that has mastered and stabilized bioactive redox signaling molecules, a category of cellular messengers your body naturally produces to heal, regenerate, and communicate. These are the original language of the body, and they decline with age, stress, and illness. ASEA Redox brings them back naturally, safely, and with over a decade of scientific research at institutions around the world to back it up. This isn't your average wellness trend. It's a category-creating biotechnology. So why does it matter? Redox molecules activate your genetic pathways, especially the one called NRF2. It is your body's master switch for detox, inflammation response, cellular repair, and glutathione production. And that's the key, because glutathione is your body's master antioxidant. It's like the cleanup crew for oxidative stress and toxins. It helps keep your immune system sharp and your cells protected. But here's the issue. Most people's glutathione levels drop as they age, unless they supplement with something that turns on their body's own production. ASEA does just that. In fact, studies show it increases glutathione by up to 55%, a massive boost from the inside out without IVs or synthetic compounds. People feel it in their energy, their recovery, and their clarity. So why haven't you heard of this? Because ASEA didn't go the traditional route. They're not chasing shelf space, they're building people. ASEA is a research and development company on a global mission to better people's lives and be a force for good in the world. This isn't just about wellness, it's about empowering people with real science and real results. You can purchase ASEA products at full retail or choose to become a preferred customer. Preferred customers receive wholesale pricing, convenient monthly delivery, and earn Redox reward points towards free products. There's no long-term commitment. You can change, pause, or cancel at any time. And consistency is key. Just like your phone needs a strong signal to work properly, your body relies on steady cellular communication to function at its best. That comes from daily use. And with ASEA's 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it with confidence. Reach out to the person who shared this with you. They can help you get started with the option that's best for you.